Listen, y'all, I want to talk to y'all about a little somebody special. Little someone who changed the world, you know? Little someone who been through hell and back, and they still made it to the top. I'm gonna talk to y'all about 50 Cent. 50 Cent is self-actualized. You know, 50 Cent was born on July 6th, 1975. When he was 12 years old, he was a crack dealer in the crack epidemic. When he was little, his daddy, left, and then his mama, she was shot. So she was gone before he was even a man. He only had his G-Mod to take care of him, and they were hella tight. And him and his grandpa, or his G-Pa, they were very tight too, He had a tough childhood. In 2000 and 2001, 50 Cent was shot 9 times, y'all. 50 Cent is a legend. And he lived through those 9 shots. One of them went through his thumb and came out his pinky. And then one of them went in his face, y'all. He got shot in the face. Right here, in the face. He survived that. He survived getting shot in the face. The doctors were like, yo, listen, we're gonna have to take out his vocals, something, and then he won't be able to rap no more. His grandma was like, no way! My grandson needs to rap. So then 50 Cent, he fought through it. Getting shot in the face is what gave him his edge, y'all. Gave him his what's up. Gave him his rapperness. So when he raps, he has a slur. 50 Cent is hella G. 50 Cent is what's up. In 2002, that's when he got his real record deal. That's when he started his rap career that changed the world, y'all. 50 Cent made, songs like Get Up.
Man, I'm finna do my thing. It's crazy in the club when I'm in there, man. Get up. Trust me, homie, I'm not playing. I had a dance floor off the chain. I said, get up. I have the savoir-faire. I'm the reason everybody here. I said, get up. I make it hot in here. Your feet hurting, I really don't care. I said, get up.
And he made songs like In the Club.
I'm fully focused, man. My money on my mind. Got a meal out the deal and I'm still in the grind. Now shorty says she feeling my style, she feeling my flow. A girl from Wooded, they buy and they ready to go. I'm in the club, bottle full of bub. Look, mommy, I got the head sippy and to take a drug.
50 Cent's first really successful album was Get Rich or Die Trying. And he did get rich, and he didn't die trying. He survived. They tried to take him out, but 50 Cent survived, man. 50 Cent knows what's up. He actually gives to charity. Did y'all know that? He has a foundation called G-Unity Foundation. And it gives money and helps communities that were run down and low income. He's going outside himself. He's being hella helpful to the communities that are poor just like his was.
Go, 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 go.
All his psychological needs to be met, y'all, like food, he has food. Water, he created vitamin water. He has enough water for the rest of his life. Breathing, he's 50 Cent. If 50 Cent don't know how to breathe, he'll find a way. And sex, well, 50 Cent is 50 Cent. There's women begging him for more 50 Cent. 50 Cent has all the women begging for 50 Cent. He knows what's up, so all his safety needs to be met, because he got shot 9 times. That's gotta mess with your mind, y'all. That's gotta mess with your mind when it comes to your safety. You be on edge all the time, but not 50 Cent. 50 Cent is safe. 50 Cent has bulletproof jackets, and 50 Cent has bodyguards. 50 Cent is body safety is met, his health safety, his resources and his health and y'all, family. He has a kid, y'all, alright? And he still talks to his ex who has his kid, so he has security and family. So yeah, they're all that love and belonging. Well, his fans love him, okay? I love 50 Cent. I love him. If you don't love 50 Cent, what's wrong with you? His fans love him, and that gives him love and belonging. And being 50 Cent, tons of girls love him. He's got tons of women just hanging off of his arms, because he's all, ooh, come to the candy shop. So all of his love and belonging needs are being met. You know, esteem. He's 50 Cent, y'all. 50 Cent is confident. 50 Cent knows what's up. 50 Cent knows who he is. 50 Cent respects those around him, because that's what you do when you're hella G. You respect. You demand respect, and you give it. 50 Cent gives respect, you know. And 50 Cent gets it, because he's G. You do not disrespect 50 Cent. He's good solving problems. He created the G Unity Foundation to help people in poor communities, y'all. And then, you know, he has achieved great things in his, you know, career as a rapper. So yes, I believe 50 Cent has reached self-actualization, y'all. 50 Cent is hella G. 50 Cent has reached self-actualization, and he goes outside himself to help other people. He has overcome getting shot 9 times. 9 times, y'all. He overcame that. He overcame his mama being shot and his daddy leaving him. And don't go disrespecting 50 Cent, because 50 Cent is self-actualized. You know, Maslow would say, yo, 50 Cent is a rapper. Rappers can't be self-actualized. You know what? Take that back, Maslow, because 50 Cent is self-actualized. 50 Cent knows what's up. He's hella G. Hella. 50 Cent's 2G for you, 2G for me, 2G for all y'all. Word to your mother.